Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to see basic block painting as it was requested by you all. So this is the first time I'm going to try this, and here's what all we need for this: the blocks and the paint. It's acrylic fabric paint, and we need a brush and a dish to pour the paint on. And this is the rug which I'm going to upcycle with block painting. It used to look very pretty, but after losing so many fibers, as you can see, it looks very bad now. And instead of throwing, I just thought, why not I upcycle this only. So let's do this. So first of all, I have to remove these fibers attached to it. They are very loosely attached, and that is the reason why they came out at the first place. So now I am going to remove them completely. Just pull and we're done. So I'm not going to do it alone. I'm going to take Somansh's help in it. And if any such thing is there at your end, also you can involve children in it, and they will have a lot of fun, because in a way they like breaking stuff, and this is a similar kind of a thing. So here we go. There, Somansh is helping me, but now when it's told that I need him to remove all of them, he is being very slow. Earlier, when I used to ask him not to remove them, he used to sneakily remove one or two fibers out of this rug. It used to be his favorite thing to do, but now he's getting tired. And finally, we are done. Ew. As you can see, it's very dirty, and with all those fibers stuck to the rug, we could not see how dirty it was. So now, first thing, I need to wash and dry this rug to start painting. And here we are. It's all dried and cleaned. I'm taking my block, dip it in the paint. This is what I have seen in the videos. This is how they do it. And dab. Uh-oh, it's not as easy as it looks like. I think I've taken a lot of paint. I need to get rid of some paint, and voila! This is what it is. So that's the trick. Less paint and better print. So now I'm using this brush to spread little bit of paint on the block and stamp. That's it. And here we go. See this? Now this is very fast. So it's not that tough either, but it's not very easy also. Finally, it's working for me, and I'm going to finish it very soon. So this is all sorted now. See, I have taken this second stamp also. It's the leafy one. Wait, is there another name for this shape? I don't know. If you know a better name for this shape, please let me know in the comments below. Meanwhile, I'll keep on calling it a leafy one because it looks like a leaf to me. So I'm just alternating the leafy stamp with the round stamp, and it's pretty fast. You can see. Remember how it all started? Seeing that, I could not think that I'm going to do that. It was really bad, guys. But now it's fun. And all thanks to you all, because because of you, I tried this art, and it's fabulous. It's very good. You can see the result and you can tell. I mean, I am pretty happy with this. Remember how this rug used to look before? I always wanted to upcycle it, but I was not sure what to do with it. And in one of my videos, I had asked you guys to suggest what my next video should be. See this first stamp I had made. It was so bad. But going forward, it went all good. See this one. A lot of color in there, and now slowly it went fine. So what I will suggest you guys is use a rough fabric when you are doing it for the very first time, so that you don't ruin your final fabric, and once you get a hang of it, you can try it on the final fabric. Also, the trick is to use minimal color, but not very less also, so that there is no pattern coming only. So for that, I would suggest use a rough fabric, and when you know how much exactly the paint you need, you can just move on to the final fabric you want to paint. And this is what it looks like, and I'm really happy that I gave it a try. It looks very pretty to me, and I'm happy with the result. And thank you so much for suggesting this to me. Now again, I would request you all to suggest me what else you want me to try. Let me know in the comments below what next video you want to see. I'll be happy to make a new video as per your request. Till then, I hope you liked watching this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, and keep creating, guys. Just a reminder, this is how the old rug used to look, and this is the material, and this is the final product. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care.